Alright, so today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken wrap. First, you have to fry the french fries. So, let me show this. And after this, I'm going to fry the chicken. Then after that, we will assemble the wrap. So, we bought this french fries at our very own supermarket. So if you have fresh potato, you can also do that. Use your fresh potato, it's better. But this one also is easy, so it's pre-cooked. So it's better. I just fry it, no deep frying, just fry it. Use my household tongs to arrange all the fries in the pan. So, that's it. And then I think I'm gonna make 2 batches of french fries because the kids love also to eat french fries. So after this I'm gonna make 1 more batch, and then after I'm gonna fry the chicken, and then I'll show you how I make the chicken wrap. Okay, so these are my ingredients for chicken wrap. Tortilla Mexicana. We bought it in Consum. I have my french fries. I have my vegetables, tomato, cucumber, and greens. And I made also my own pickled red onion, and I have my chicken breast. And I use this Mexicana sauce instead of mayonnaise. So what I'm gonna do is heat up first the tortilla. Open it up. I'm gonna heat up my tortilla to the pan where I fry all my french fries and mine. Gonna heat up. Let this. And I'm gonna slice my, she will be fine, chicken into smaller pieces. The kids is crying, but she'll be fine. I think the sound is gone. That's put this in the sink. Then flip it, and it's hot. Just have to flip it. There you go. That's it. And put it in the plate. So either, it's up to you which one you want to put first, but I don't care. There's no particular order. So, ganyan lang. Lagay ng french fries. Ganyan. Yung iba, inuuna nila yung sauce sa tortilla, but there's no really particular order which one you want to put. Then I'm gonna put the slices of meat or chicken. This, like so. I'm gonna put some cucumber on each side. 2 is fine. Slices of pickled onion. It's nice. And tomato slices. Cut that, and some greens. That. And I'm gonna put before that, I'm gonna heat up another one again. And then I'm gonna put my sauce. Like that. Ranch dressing, mayonnaise, it's fine. Whatever you like to put in this chicken wrap is fine. It will do. So I'm gonna wrap the end first and then roll it. that. And it's a chicken wrap. Like that. Sorry for that. Yes, so this is done. Let me make another one. Flip it. I can make 3 wraps. Get up. Let go. Open is hot. Same. Let's see, let's do it again. This time let's do the nail first. A lot of people will do this first, but there's no really particular order. Chicken slices. And onions. My husband loves chicken wrap. He can devour 2 or 3. Whatever. So, especially if it's not, it's nice if it's pickled cucumber. I don't know, I like it pickled. So he likes also tomatoes, so that's why I'm putting lots of tomatoes. By the way, this onion is not same as ours in the Philippines. This is sweet onion, so notice that I put so much, but this is different. So that's it. No, I have to put greens also. 1 green like that. And wrap, so, and hold and wrap and tight, wrap it tight, that, like that. So another one. That's for him, by the way. 2 chicken wrap for my husband. So me, I'm good with 1/2 or 1. So this is for him. He'll be good with that. There's lots of French fries because, like I said, I cook 2 batches because the kids love French fries. So that's for them. I know it's hot, but maybe 20 seconds each side. It's fine as long as. The point is you have to heat up your tortilla so that it will be flexible to roll. Like this. And I'm gonna turn it off because I think I'm gonna need only 3. That's it. And French fries, same. French fries. I love the shawarma they're making in the Dubai. They're using tom. That's a garlic sauce. So chicken breast. Chicken breast again. Like this. So cucumber. That. And hi, by the way, my hands are clean. That's why I don't wear any gloves, but I really wash my hand, clean it. So like so. What else did I miss? Tomato. I don't really like tomato, but this time I'm gonna put mine. Just like that. And I like green, salad greens, so I'm gonna put 2 more. And last but not the least, my sauce. See. And hold it like this. And wrap it at the end. And wrap it tight. So it's best to eat this with Coke. So we're gonna eat together with my hubby. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this and you can make it also. It's so easy, just simple ingredients. So as long as you have the tortilla, you're good to go. Bye bye.